one of the flagship program of the new patriotic airway administration MPP, I mean, was the one district, one factory. Omoyo say Ombesi factories, baby. And during 2015-2014 campaign season, that was one of the things I know Moka say. Ombebe nyuma buso wo my wemu na obienye juma ye ejuma be koso na obienye bia eti the iron every district bia no mbe so Ombesi factory e wo honom na etimi aboa say ye wo district a owo ade a wo ye no ho bebre no senka ebi akọ sampa drobo omo ye cashew for oba sunyane west omutua aburo ni saa nema no there will be a factory here for you it will be a processing factory ye be ye na etimi aboa na bibia akoso, and it was part of the NPP's flagship program. It ye ebe ye ade wo Ghana no be kan wasem 1D1F 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 no obi and NPP was saying one district one factory. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo then and Dr. Mahmoud Babia, the NPP was also talking about it. I bet Ghana for team aside the free SHS and it's a better Ghana for team say if this initiative is coming on board, Ebema district be a factory on ma and one is a factory district biano it mean a factory on it me employ mebune wo horma a better unemployment rate so ama bibia so etimi akoso ye no. The NPP came to administration and one district one factory. And who really the policy of the one district one factory now? His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo in opposition in 2014-2015 campaign season, Emma Ghana 40 as it is going to be done by the government. But anytime that they came to administration or my better as now they want to do it a public-private partnership. That is PPP. Na eno na se o e factory na o honoma na o ma ba no ma ba behese ska kakra no mo de ma na o de ashame na o de aye existing factories na wo honom no na o ma timi upgrade o mo aban ni discover show bo aban be sponsor aban be ma na stipends ni sa anema no na ba bia factories ni bi ni no na sa anko honom de ya hase betibi asisi. That was the second thought of it aban be catch. Fast forward Ghana for share ni mu aseka ye betibi awuri say evi the one district one factory bibi koso ana. Yes, Ebi Juma Sobeka Kasapreko was being given some incentive. It was part of the PPP private public partnership deal na course in the one district one factory. Oba other regions, Oba Bunu region, private company. They were all part of it, of course. But idea armor policy and they say the policy now Omoka 17 and the way they put it, and to me, armor policy and give it out the result as Ghanaians want. A do by enough a policy now be honum because of how things were going. And don't forget that in the early 2017, 2018, 2019, the policy was being rolled out. And don't forget that COVID-19 nearby, it also hot things down from there. And Ghana, that economic challenges are and you see, because the policy was a huge policy that the NPP needed to sit down. And don't forget, that was a policy that was given to Kojo Alantrematin. It was an initiative by Kojo Alantrematin. But Kojo Alantrematin came out to tell Ghanaians to say, the way I know person policy no kono, and yes, sir, na omu rolling out policy no, na oman for the blueprinter or the man, the NPP government, and they did it the way they want. Yes, Madam bet me, Madam ain't me can't say there is no policy. Yes, Obetia can say there is no policy in their administration. But in books, we understand say the NPP has a policy document. It talks about the 1D1F. Emma ebeye ade wo Ghana no be ka ho asema na enya asem ketwa. So in their administration, now what they have also bring out and propose to the people of Ghana when they were in opposition was the 24-hour economy. And mind you, let me tell you this. Saturday, Menya Butre Nama digested the 24-hour economy and also the 1D1F document policy. Now I want to say there is no difference. There is similarities. Idea. What 1D1F no majority of them now and asa pushi aba aye copied of the 1D1F and sabenya and then mention dan kan one sem kese bebre. But in Saturday no meto me boasia breaking it down. Now what ya say na bibia so etimi akoso ye eti 1D1F no. Now the NDC want to tell us say 1D1F no nya adwuma biem. But they said the Omodia bar, and was a Ghana for you and do many dear chili. Now Omoka wasem no. The policy 1D1F has been thrown away. Enya Juma in their administration. But what they are bring on board, the 24-hour economy a ɛyɛ adwuma sɛsie no ɛno na obia log on na bibia so ntimi enko so ye it now ye maame Elizabeth Ofosu Ajare the minister for trade, the minister in charge for trade, agribusiness and industries, you know, you say now the NDC dia ba womo de ba be ye adwuma sɛsie no because amanfo affiliate the 24-hour economy no to the 1D1F, and he wants to tell Ghanaians say the 1D1F is no more there. Any obium, but the Abbas say was here can was him. Near Shem word you man yet to me ye, near to me pushing a economy, net me be a new mammy and new mayanubino. Aye, the 24-hour economy no, and on Abba and they will be adding and Madika Kacho and a Mimuka say on Saturday, you have the document policy of the 1D1F, near for the document policy of the 24-hour economy. Is it the same as said ye be more canon? And now said there is similarities be a woman. And now NDC now a copy and paste be in it and all this, you know, let's not forget say and your mind teacher. If there is something in the 1D1F, ever boy as or my na NPP are buying to me and ye dia. It means that the NDC are buying the first way in no better any year. It is good. That is why I will always preach say the country should have a policy direction, a long-term policy. Ya debo obai no bra. It is a abai bi bam program to say ya. Ono de one no ontimen sano. It will just add up na you know what to the long-term policy abai no ana oman ya to ono na bibia so atibi akoso ye. And every manifesto of any political party should be aligned with the long-term policy now. And what I atimi na bibia so atimi akoso ye pa. Etino said the mama Elizabeth Ofosu Ajare Ekano. There is no more 1D1F, but now the new thing on board, and I said the new thing on the blog, no, a 24-hour economy, the game changer. And let's see, said the 24-hour economy in one sem. And they said the more projected 24-hour economy, no, is it going to give us the results that we want? So the 3 shift, the 8-hour system now, 3 shift, no, yebenya enyuma beba, nipa ba akubeti ya juman prensana na, ni nyina betimi akoso, ni enyana bibia so etibi akoso ya na. That is what we are all asking for. Said the beya ibehunu, say now about the new thing on the blog, no, it will benefit Ghanaians. And the human beba, the human mobile depth. The key pillars of the 24-hour economy, no, is Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bobo Sono. It is going to boom the economy, and the economy is going to boom. The new beba ubia benya jumaye, mama yeti asese passports be running 24-hour, the pharmaceutical sectors be running 24-hour, and other agribusinesses be running, and even farming, krano, we can do 24-hour farming. And it's anya money no. And I believe, says ye ene sa anya tutunisa, nese ye die che nese die apano. Abane manenia koni ayeni ya. It will change things. But money kon collect is a 1D1F. As sloganism, we publish it. We publish. We also praise it. Ye manidia kasia ye pejani kudisika kotoso. But at the end of the day, it couldn't serve Ghanaians what they want, you know. And no, and I was here. She need to become once and need to be free. Na bibia so it will cost you one man. I don't want to no. It's your best. The NDC shouldn't make it be a sloganism and I say assembly kekenomoka, but they should also see to us say now I boss your moshe Ghana for now Ghana for mama Ghana 40 as a semi coffee meti hey meti me aye adwuma me ensa within a day bibia meti me mama misika and you know Sami Janvi and other stuff they all went on it and omo kan ho asema omo nyina ka say yes enyuma beba so the 24-hour economy have been launched and we are expecting the government say boss omo share you know ombeti me na ye adwuma it shouldn't be talk like this but they should also deliver on that na bibia so etimi enkoso ye pa e wo hono ma eno so ye maame Elizabeth Ofosu Ajare kakra or de atuja eno no